Hello everybody, my name is Katie and welcome back to my channel, and this week's video is going to be a DIY essential oil bug spray. I found this post on a website. It's not originally my recipe. I will link the post in the description box below so you could check out all the quantities and written instructions, but I just wanted to do a little video how-to because why not? Because I found it and I thought it'd be cool. And my mom and I found an essential oil bug spray. We went shopping one time and we were like, we love this, we want to make more. So I looked up a recipe and I found it, and that's why I am here right now. And throughout this video, if I am looking down, I'm looking down at my iPad, which I just turned off by accident, because I have script notes on there for what I am doing. So yeah, don't mind me. But anyway, let's just get started. In order to make this DIY, you will need vegetable glycerin, I hope that's how you say it, witch hazel, rubbing alcohol, citronella essential oil, lemon eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary essential oil, geranium essential oil, lavender essential oil, a measuring cup, a container, a tablespoon, half a teaspoon, spray bottles, and I will link the ones that I used in the description box below, pipettes, and water. Using a pipette, put the essential oils into the container. You will need 30 drops of geranium, 30 drops of citronella, 20 drops of lemon eucalyptus, 20 drops of lavender, and 10 drops of rosemary. Next, add a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol to the container and shake well to combine. My directions say measure half of witch hazel. I'm assuming that means half a teaspoon. I'll check. Okay, so the verdict was it's half a cup, not half a teaspoon or whatever. I said that's ridiculous. Okay, so we're going to measure half a cup of witch hazel, pour it into the container, and then mix to combine. Add half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin to help everything stay combined. This is optional and not completely necessary, though I do recommend. Add half a cup of water and then shake again. Taking my pipette, I transferred the mixture from the container into each of the bottles, and using a Sharpie and white duct tape, I labeled the bottle bug spray. And that's it for this natural DIY, what's it called? Essential oil bug spray. And before each use, I do recommend shaking the bottle because water and oils naturally separate. So in order to get a spray of everything, you need to mix it up. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you like this DIY. Once again, I will link the original in the description box below. And I thank you for watching this week's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe down below because I post videos every single Sunday and I'm sure you will not want to miss them. Okay, anyways, that is it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.